Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Next Level Racing GT Lite Cockpit. This innovative foldable racing cockpit is designed for sim racers who want an immersive experience but have limited space. It offers a dedicated GT racing position, moving you away from a desk and chair setup. The GT Lite is a practical solution, providing a sturdy platform for your racing gear that can be easily put away when not in use, making it perfect for any home environment. The GT Lite boasts patented next-level racing hubs, engineered for over 2 years to provide both quick adjustments and impressive rigidity, capable of withstanding 150 kilograms of force. You can easily adjust the wheel, pedal, and shifter positions to find your perfect driving stance. It's pre-drilled for hard-mounting popular electronics from brands like Logitech and Fanatec, and includes a versatile gear shifter mount for either side. Comfort is key, and the GT Lite delivers with a seat made from highly breathable fabric, keeping you comfortable during extended racing sessions. It supports a wide range of users, from 4 feet to 6 feet 6 inches tall and up to 287 pounds in weight. While lightweight at around 14.4 kilograms, it offers surprising stability for its class, providing a rigid experience for entry-level direct drive wheels up to 10 Newton meters. One of the GT Lite's standout features is its exceptional portability. Its unique design allows it to fold down to a compact size, roughly 41 by 37 by 12 inches, even with your wheel and pedals still attached. This makes storage incredibly convenient, fitting into small spaces like a closet. For sim racers needing a flexible, space-saving, and immersive setup, the Next Level Racing GT Lite offers fantastic value and a significant upgrade from a basic desk setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.